Good morning, dear students. Now we continue inverse trigonometric functions topic, remaining examples. In that seventh one, tan of sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2 is there. First, tan, these bracket values are we can convert in the form of tan inverse. Remember that one, because tan of tan inverse x is equal to x. We already know the first property of inverse trigonometry. That's why sine inverse 3 by 5 is their first term on the bracket. That's why this one convert in the form of tan. How can convert, we'll see. Yes, first. This one sine inverse 3 by 5 is considered as the theta. Sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. Next, after that we'll go to the tan theta. Yes, you take as sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to theta. Find sine theta value. See how we can take. First, sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to theta. Sine inverse transfer this side, that becomes sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. What is the definition of sine theta? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. We already studied in earlier classes. So, opposite value is 3, hypotenuse value is 5. Next, we need adjacent, because this one we convert in the form of tan inverse. So, tan theta, what is that? Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. But we need adjacent value. How we find out? By using Pythagoras theorem. Adjacent side is equal to what is that? Square root of hypotenuse square minus opposite square. Otherwise, we will take as a Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4, 5 is the Pythagorean triplet. Otherwise, you take as this one is equal to, what is square root is the square root. What is hypotenuse square? 5 square minus opposite square is 3 square is equal to square root of 5 square is 25 minus 9. Square root as it is, 25 minus 9 is root 16. Root 16 is value is 4. Next, come to the tan theta definition. Tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent is equal to, what is opposite side? 3 divided by 4. Adjacent value already we got, that value we substitute 3 by 4. But we need theta value. Theta is keep as it is. This tan transfer this side, that become a tan inverse 3 by 4. Means sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to theta. Next, theta value is tan inverse 3 by 4. Means sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. It is sine inverse 3 by 5 we convert in the form of tan inverse. We get tan inverse 3 by 4. Next, another one term is there, that is cot inverse 3 by 2. We already know the basic property of inverse trigonometry. What is that? Cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Yes, we'll take that formula, you write. We know that cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x using this property. Otherwise, you take as a cot inverse 3 by 2 is considered as the a value. After that, we will take as a tan theta using applying this one also. Otherwise, we will take as a this property. Cot inverse 3 by 2 is equal to cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x is there. Cot inverse as it is, x value is 3 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 1 divided by x value is 3 by 2. Cot inverse 3 by 2 is equal to tan inverse this one 2 by 3 we can write. Directly we get means we will take as directly cot inverse x is equal to, or cot inverse 3 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 2 by 3. First step only you write, no problem. We get cot inverse 3 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 2 by 3. When it is both are in the bracket, values are in terms of tan inverse we get. Now this value we substitute the given problem. Write the first problem. What is that problem? You write. See, tan inverse sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2 is a 9. It is a given problem. Tan as it is equal to tan as it is. Sine inverse 3 by 5 we consider as a theta. Theta value is tan inverse 3 by 4. This value we substitute tan inverse 3 by 4 plus cot inverse 3 by 2 value is tan inverse 2 by 3. Next is equal to tan as it is. It is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Means x value is 3 by 4, y value is 2 by 3. Which one we apply? Tan inverse x plus y, tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. We already know the property of that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This one formula you apply. After that you see the answer. See here, we applied the formula. Tan as it is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x value is 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus x value into 2 by 3. Next step will go tan of tan inverse x. X value is only remaining the value. Next I will write there. I shall write that first one, sine inverse 3 by 5. Next, what is that? Tan of tan inverse x is equal to tan of tan inverse x. What is that? X value. X I will write there. What is that? 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus we multiply. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 divided by 4 3s are 12. Next, here in the numerator 2 terms are there. So LCM you take 12. Next, here multiply by 3, here multiply by 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 4s are 8 divided by 12 divided by, come to the denominator, here also 2 terms. So here also will take as a nothing but here 1. Here 1 into 12 is 12 as the LCM. Here multiply by 12. Here multiply by 1. 1 12s are 12. Minus is a minus. 6 1s are 6 divided by 12. 12 12 get cancelled. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. 12 minus 6 is 6. It is the 17 divided by 6 is the answer. Yes, write down. After that we will take as the next one. Next one, sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Solution. First you write sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 you write. Properly you write the given problem. Next is equal to sine as it is. Bracket is the bracket. Pi by 3. Next, we already know it is in the form of sine inverse minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. Yes, minus sine inverse we apply. Minus sine inverse x instead of 1 by 2. Sine inverse minus is a minus. X value is 1 by 2 is equal to minus sine inverse x minus of here minus. Plus we can write what you get, sine inverse 1 by 2. Sine inverse x we get sine inverse x value is 1 by 2. Complete the bracket. Yes, I shall have this one. Yes. Next, sine pi by 3 as it is plus sine pi by 6 value is 1 by 2. Next, sine inverse pi by 6 sine inverse 1 by 2 value is pi by 6. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine inverse 1 by 2 value is pi by 6. Sine. Here, how many are there? 2 terms are there in the bracket. So, we will take as a LCM. Here multiply by 2. Here multiply by 1. 2 pi plus pi is equal to sine 2 pi plus pi 3 pi by 6 is equal to 3 1s are 3 2s are. What you get? Sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 value is 1. It is the answer. Yes, understood? Next we will go to the next one. Ninth one you see, tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Write the solution. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Yes, write down. After that we will take as a solution. Write down. Next, tan inverse root 3 value is, what is that? Directly we will write tan pi by 3 value is root 3. Tan inverse root 3 is equal to pi by 3. Write down that value. Tan inverse root 3 value is pi by 3. Yes. Next step you write is equal to write pi by 3. Tan inverse root 3 value. See. Tan inverse root 3 value is pi by 3. After that, minus as it is, take as the bracket because cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x is there. So, we will take as a pi minus, that is cot inverse x value is root 3. We apply this result. What is that? Cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x means pi as it is minus cot inverse x value is root 3. Next, simplify. That is cot inverse root 3 value is pi by 6. Yes. Simplify, only cot root 3 value is pi by 6. Substitute. Yes, substitute that value. What is that? Pi minus cot inverse root 3 value is pi by 6. Pi by 6 we write. Next, pi by 3 as it is. First we simplify. 6 take as here 2 terms are there. So, we will take as a LCM. Here nothing is 1. 1 6 are 6. Next, here multiply by 6, here multiply by 1. 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi, 5 pi by 6. Here also, two terms are there, LCM is 6, 6. Next, here 3 2s are 6, 2 pi minus 5 pi, 5 pi. 2 pi minus 5 pi means minus 3 pi by 6, 3 1s are 3 2s are, is equal to minus 5 by 2. It is the solution of this one. Or one more method is that we'll solve this one. Yes, first same thing, first step solution, given problem you write. Next, it is one more same thing. What we can write? Tan inverse root 3 keep as it is, minus this cot inverse minus x is equal to, using first, we are using the first step, no, first method. What is that? Cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. X is nothing but root 3. Same thing, we apply x value, pi minus cot inverse root 3. Cot inverse root 3. Next, tan inverse root 3 keep as it is. We not substitute any value of tan root 3. After that, it is two terms are there in the bracket. So multiply minus into plus, minus pi, minus into minus plus, cot inverse root 3. Next, arranging. Tan inverse root 3 keep as it is. First, positive value is one side, negative value is one side. Cot inverse root 3 minus pi. Next, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. We already know the property. Already we proved. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Here x instead of root 3 is there. Tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3 value is pi by 2 minus pi as it is. Here two terms are there, we will take as LCM as 2. Here multiply by 1, here multiply by 2. Pi 1s are pi minus 2 pi, means pi minus 2 pi is minus pi by 2. Either this one or this one, you, which one is easy, you practice it. Yes, next we will go to the next one. It is complete your 1.2 x 2.1 exercise. Next we will go to the miscellaneous. Yes. See, miscellaneous example. In that first one, solve tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. Solve is that means we finding x value. Next, consider the, we'll take as LHS and RHS part, but consider the LHS part only your understanding purpose. It is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What is the tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? We have the property tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. We apply is equal to pi by 4, we write. Yes, we'll take as a first solution, first given write down, after that we apply the formula. Yes, first see what is that. First we write the formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Next, consider the given problem. Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. Next, tan inverse, this one, it is in the form of tan inverse x, tan inverse y. LHS part in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Means tan inverse x plus y. X value is 2x plus y value is 3x divided by 1 minus x value is 2x into 3x pi by 4 as it is. Next, you simplify. What is that? Tan inverse 2x plus 3x is 5x divided by 1 minus 2 3s are 6, x into x, x square. Remember this one, x into x, x square. 3 2s are 6. Don't write 6x or 5x. It is 6x square is equal to pi by 4. Next, you simplify. Next one, tan inverse 5x minus 1 minus x square is equal to pi by 4 is there. This tan inverse transfer this side, that become a tan pi by 4. What is the remaining? 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square. 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan pi by 4. 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan pi by 4 value is tan 45 degree is 1. Next, 5x, this one 1 into cross multiplication. 1 into 1, 1. Here nothing is a plus. Here minus is there. Minus into plus minus. 1 into 6, 6x square. Next, it is negative is there. So, transfer that side. 6x square plus 5x. It is plus 1, transfer this side, minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 3 marks, important question. This one. First we apply this tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Up to here you get 1 mass. Then we got quadratic equation here. Then it is carries one more mass, means it is 2 mass. One more mass means we take as a x value. We finding x value we get another 1 mass. It is in the form of quadratic equation. What is the form? 6 ones are 6 minus 6 we need. Here positive 5. What is the plus 5? What is the factors you find out? Yes. Next we'll go to the quadratic equation 6 and minus 1. 6 and minus 1. 6 into minus 1 minus 6. 6 minus 1 plus 5. Next 6x square plus 6x minus 6 minus 1 is equal to 0. 6x common you take in this 2. 6x x plus 1 minus you take as here minus 1. It is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next x plus 1 is a common. Next 6x minus 1 equal to 0. Next x plus equating x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 is not possible. Next we will take as 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 6. It is the answer. Yes. Next we will go to the next video.